to Sridhar CC Anantapuramu YouTube channel, and welcome to our session, editorial analysis session. So let's start with the quote of the day. So whatever the things we are discussing in our session, everyone is pretty familiar with all those things. So what is the quote of the day? A goal without a plan is just a wish. So not in a negative sense. So everyone has a certain kind of goal, and a person without a goal is not a person at all, in my view. So everyone shall have a goal, and especially a goal without a plan is not a goal at all. It's just a wish. Like so many people wish for so many things, but they don't happen in materialistic world. The reason is they don't have a plan. And one more beautiful quotation. Every time I say about a plan, I remember this particular quote. So you can listen this quote even. No one plans to fail, but everyone fails to plan. No one plans to fail, but everyone fails to plan. So the thing is, so here it's not about no one plans to fail deliberately. So most of the people, they fail in planning. That means they don't plan. That's why they fail. That is the reason. So here the same thing is exhibited with this quote also. So here a goal without a plan. So you don't have plan and you have goal. You don't reach your goal, and it just remains in your life as a wish. Like I wish I wish So such a kind of thing happens in your life. But you have a goal. People who are listening this, you have a goal, have a plan. So then automatically you can reach your goal. That's it. Let's get to phobias, almost ending. We are at the edge. Yes guys, listen carefully. In the next sessions we are going to have root words based vocabulary we are going to discuss, which are additional apart from this editorial analysis. Yes, let's start with the first phobia, scotophobia. Yesterday we got a scopophobia. Here scopoto is different. It's about look at. Scotophobia is related to darkness. Cetophobia, cetophobia, just a letter difference. I difference. Cetophobia and cetophobia, it's all about fear of food or fear of eating. Next, spect is related to watching or seeing. Looking in a mirror especially is related to the phobia of spectrophobia. And the last one, symmetry, when mathematics related. So fear of symmetry is called as symmetrophobia. And next let's get to manias list, and let's start with the first one, potomania. And this mania is related to like alcoholic desire, like abnormal desire, already so many types of manias we have come across, and this one is related to pot full of alcohol, like you in that case, in that way you can remember. Next, pseudomania. Pseudo means alias, means instead of someone, means lie. So irrational predilection means extreme liking, that too in a negative way. Extreme liking of fondness towards lying is called as pseudomania. And pteridomania is related to fans, a kind of plants. Pyromania, this word we are very familiar. I even told you, pyre. So once again I am saying, pyre means the pile of sticks on which a dead body is burnt. And pyromania, so pyromaniac, the person who is crazy for starting fires, like who wants to fire irrelevantly. Such kind of person is called as maniac, pyromaniac. Pyromania is related to that craziness related to this starting fires unusually. However, starting fire itself is an unusual thing, right? Next, rhinitilexomania. Actually till means actually picking. Rhinitilexomania is related to nose picking. Some people have such kind of habit right in front of the public, or like hidden, like private, whatever the space they have, they start picking their nose. Such kind of mania is called as rhinitilexomania. And the last but not the least, rhynchomania is related to skating. Everyone is familiar with this skating obsession, like every time they want to do this skating. Such a kind of mania is called as rhynchomania. And let's get to these phrasal verbs of the day. Yes, already we have got to I and J in phrasal verbs list. See guys, once again I am telling you this editorial vocabulary related, we are getting already these Phrasal verbs and idiomatic expressions, phrasal expressions in editorial vocabulary. Additionally, I am giving this information to you people to make use of these for the exams purpose. First of all, iron. Iron is a noun. If it is used as a verb, so it's about to make it something clear. Resolve by discussion or eliminate differences. You can remember this ironing clothes. That means so all the things will be set right. The meeting tomorrow will be an opportunity to ironed verb forms, to iron out difficulties. So however, that gives a sense. Join in, yes, it's a very clear thing. Participate. She was too shy to join in. Join the game is wrong. Join in the game means participate. Next, join up. Join up means engage in it. You have got two meanings for this join up. Engage in something, become a member of something. Meet and unite with someone. Like Devon was in the army and Shaker joined up. So here engaged or become a member of that army as soon as he left the school. Next, the two groups of terrorists joined up at the hotel means united and met at the hotel. So in these two senses, we can use this join up. In the last word, jot down. Down means to write down, to take a quick notes. I jotted down the address while watching the program on TV. So I jotted down means so in an abrupt way, in a quick way. So I wrote something down that particular address. Okay, today's vocabulary, tussle. So how it looks like, see, tussle, disagreement, quarrel, contention, a bone of contention, like it's an idiomatic expression. The point, the matter which created a quarrel is called as a bone of contention. However, tussle, argument, you say disagreement or a quarrel or a contention. Fault line, a difference of opinion is called as fault line. A divisive issue also you can say. And ties, ties means here if you take it as a verb, tied, but here it is used as a noun, bond, association, ties, kind of relationship. Raising, V4 form, it also acts as an adjective. So here it acts as an extreme or very active, very intense, stormy kind of so extreme. You can remember that it as an extreme thing. Witness, a witness can be used both as a verb as well as a noun. Here in this context it's used in a verb sense. Witnessed, like seeing or something, or viewing or noticing something. Premature, like untimely, before mature, like pre means before, like untimely, early, too soon, too early, ill-timed, wrong-timed. Hasty, like quick manner which happened. Highlight, you know this, underline, underscore, emphasize, call attention to. Call attention to is a phrasal expression. Divide, you know, divide when it is used as divided, everyone knows that. So here divide, when it is used as a noun, it gives the same sense as a division. Don't get confused why they used divide in the noun's place. Divide can also be used in noun's sense, which means a split or difference or division. Camp, camp means faction or a group, a wing or a sect or a set. For now, it's a phrasal expression. For now means for the time being, for the moment, for the present moment. Next, functionary, official, administrator, office holder is called as a functionary. Apart from means except for. Personality cult, excessive public praise, especially a political leader. So like cult means so much of following, so much of praise, excessive public praise, especially a political leader. Next, workout, you know, it's a phrasal verb. Workout means to develop, or to form, or to initiate, to establish. Cohabitation, habitation, cohabitation, cooperation between opposing parties, coexistence together. Next, come up. Come up is also a phrasal verb which means transpire, emerge, happen, occur. Next, incumbent. Incumbent means current or existing. Most of the times in editorials we see this incumbent word. Incumbent means right now whoever is in power is called as incumbent. Have to do with, I have to be connected with someone. It's a phrase. Steering committee, a group of high level advisors who have been appointed to provide an organization or project with direction. Advisory body is called a steering committee. The body which steers, the committee which steers means which balances or which manages the things through advices. Next, let's get to the next list of editorial. To date, it's a phrasal expression. To date, up to date, to date, until now. Evidently, obviously, palpably, seemingly, apparently, all these can be used as evidence. Apparently, like clearly, visibly. Okay, cautious. Caution is noun, cautious is adjective. OUS endings are generally considered in adjective sense. Careful, wary, circumspect, like a very careful in anything is called as cautious. Bear in mind or keep in mind, take into account or be mindful or remember, or you can say consider. Advisability is wisdom or advantage or preferability. Tie up. Tie up is a noun. It means tie. Already we got that word ties, so which means a link or association or relationship. Differences, you know that a disagreement or difference of opinion is called as differences. Already we got that particular thing in fault line also, difference of opinion, right? Next, unending means endless. Resign means government. Make known, to disclose or to make something public. Unequivocally. Equivocally means so ambiguous. One more beautiful word. Ambiguous means not clear. Like having so many meanings is called as equivocal. Unequivocal means having very clear matter. Unambiguously, actually you got it here. Unambiguously means so having clarity, well definedly. Aggressive. Aggressive means combative, assertive. Vigorous, like energetic, you can say. Posture means approach or attitude or standpoint or view. Aggrieved, distressed. You have got a grief. Grieve means like about depression or pain. Distressed, disgruntled, unhappy, angry, discontented. All these things you can have as synonyms. And row, actually row word is very familiar, rows and columns, but here in this context, excuse me, row means dispute or fight or argument or quarrel or squabble. See how many words you got for a row. Next, compilation. Compilation means collection or selection or corpus. So this is a new term. So a collection of so many things is called as a compilation. Next, hymn. Hymn means a religious song. You know, kirtanalu you say. Remember that word, hymns. So that those are called as religious songs, anthems or songs of praise. Kirtanalu. Like next, condemn is a verb, like khandinchadam, criticize, censure. Remember this word also. Now and then you get this word, censure. Censure means so like criticize something, rebuke or reprimand. So two more beautiful words here. Drape, draping a sari, like to decorate or adorn or cover with something. Next, from the ground, from the place where things are happening really or practically. Take a call. Last one. Take a call is a phrasal expression, like you have to take a call means you have to decide. Next, let's get to the editorial analysis. So what is the editorial today? Tussle in Tamil Nadu on leadership debate in AIADMK, All India Anna DMK. Leadership debate in AMDMK, AIADMK hides fault lines in the party and in its ties with BJP. So here tussle means a fight or a quarrel. So Tamil Nadu, whatever the thing is happening right now, especially this is about a leadership debate in All India Anna DMK related party, and this debate is hiding few things, fault lines in the party, like difference in the opinions have been hidden in the same way, like their ties with BJP also were hidden in this leadership debate. So right, the raising debate that Tamil Nadu's ruling AIADMK witnessed last week over its choice for the office of CM for 2021 assembly election might have been premature, but it highlighted the sharp divide between the camps of CM Edapadi K Palaniswamy and Deputy CM O Pannirselvam. So here the debate what are happening to this ruling Anna DMK witnessed the last week. What happened last week in the sense, so related to the choice of this CM's office for the next election, 2021 election. So it's clearly very premature, and moreover it has highlighted a particular thing, that is a gap, that division between the camps, especially between the CM and Deputy CM Pannirselvam. For now, the leaders have decided not to address the issue and asked party functionaries not to discuss it in public. However, so they discussed already, they decided not to discuss about these differences in their opinion in front of the public. The debate, apart from the timing, was as strange as Tamil Nadu with a history of personality cult politics, is not known to have the tradition of principal parties declaring chief ministerial candidates. Here the debate, apart from this timing related to these things, it's strange as strange as Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu itself is a very strange state because having a history of personality, cult politics, like excessive price to this particular political leaders. So this is a strange case. This debate is a strange case here. Until the debate erupted, Mr. Palaniswamy and Mr. Pannirselvam, who was a briefly CM. Briefly means temporal, for a short time, CM 3 times in the last 19 years gave the impression of having worked out a successful cohabitation arrangement in the party and the government. However, they seem like they they worked out a successful cohabitation arrangement. They created that impression. So until this debate erupted. So now what are the things happening? But Palaniswamy must be wondering why the issue came up. So here Palaniswamy CM, so he is wondering why this issue related to this decision choice of the office has come up. So as the incumbent CM, he could have reasonably expected to be projected as the party's nominee. However, reasonably he is the person to be projected as the party's nominee. Everyone knows that. So as the also the controversy has much to do with the AIADMK's relationship with its ally, the BJP. However, this connection of debate is with even its ally means a friend, BJP also. While Mr. Pannirselvam appears to be upset over the lack of prominence given to him in government events and the delay in the constitution of steering committee for the party, his son O.P. Ravindranath Kumar, the only DMK candidate elected during the 2019 Lok Sabha, was not nominated to the Union Council of Ministers. So here, so what are the things which drove to this debate in the sense? So one thing, Pannirselvam was completely upset about the prominence which was given to him in the government events, and even the delay in the constitution of a steering committee for the party, especially his son O.P. Ravindranath Kumar, the only candidate elected in 2019 Lok Sabha election. So he was even not nominated for the Union Council of Ministers. All these things made this deputy CM Pannirselvam upset a lot. So that might be one of the causes which led to this debate. Next, to date, the Union government has no AIADMK representative. So however, Union government doesn't have a representative till date, up to now. So Mr. Palaniswamy was evidently cautious, keeping in mind the presence of seniors in the parliamentary party and also of the advisability of sending his party's nominees to the centre when the popular mood in the state is not favourable to the BJP. So here, so the thing played by Palaniswamy was Mr. Palaniswamy was evidently very cautious, and he kept all these things like presence of seniors in the parliamentary party. Also, he was very cautious, and the advisability of sending his party's nominees to the centre when the popular mood in the state. So here the popular mood in the state is not favourable to the BJP. All these things, this Palaniswamy was very cautious. So that's why he is taking the steps very carefully. Next, there is a view within the AIADMK that any tie-up with BJP for 2021 would be as disastrous as it was in 2019. And one more view is also present right now within the party, that so if it has any tie-up with this BJP, definitely it's going to be as disastrous as like it happened in 2019. Besides, in addition to the differences on policy matters seems unending. So however, so differences also seem unending between this BJP and AIADMK. In recent months, the Palaniswamy regime has made known its opposition unequivocally, be it on the issue of the 3-language policy or free power for agriculturists or a revision of norms for determining the creamy layer among OBCs eligible for quota in education and jobs. All these things, so in the recent months, so he has made known its opposition. So this regime, this government of Palaniswamy, this government was very clear related to few issues and made it known to its opposition also very clearly. So what are those? So about this 3-language policy, for suppose, or a free power of agriculturists, or even the revision of norms for determining the creamy layer of among OBCs, especially for quota in education and jobs. All these things they made very clear, this government made very clear even, and showed to this opposition also. The BJP state unit too has been adopting aggressive posturing especially on Hindu deities and religious matters. However, BJP is also not quiet, and it's also doing aggrieved means became a cause. Sorry, adapting aggressive means so excessive posturing, especially of Hindu deities and religious matters throughout the state. Its leaders are aggrieved that even though the policy have the police have taken action on a row or Kanda Shasti Kavajam, a compilation of Tamil hymns, the IAIADMK leadership chose not to comment on the matter, but Mr. Palaniswamy was quick to condemn an incident in Pondicherry of the state of statue of AIADMK founder MZK being draped in a saffron shawl. So here, so BJP is finding the right time to pose its plans. So I can say its leaders are aggrieved means so they became suffered with this this police have taken, though this police have taken action on this particularly Tamil hymns compilation, but this AIADMK was very quiet because it doesn't want to comment on these kind of things because elections also very soon are going to happen. But Mr. Palaniswamy is a little different, so he was very quick in the recent event whichever happened for the draping of MGR. AIADMK founder MGR was being draped in a saffron shawl, so that thing was immediately condemned by Mr. Palaniswamy, so which was a wrong step, we can say. Whether or not the alliance survives this phase, whatever the alliance between BJP and AIADMK survives this phase or not, that is a secondary matter. The signals from the ground are not really encouraging practically, so this signals are not encouraging. Before taking a call means before taking a decision, its alliance with the BJP, the AIADMK should set things right. So before this alliance, so AIADMK must set things within this body and settle the issue of the chief ministerial candidate for 2021. Right, guys? So that's all for the day, and test of the day we can have. So here you got a little different kind of one. So let's see so how far we can crack this. So this is a typical one of typical models. They gave one statement, and that statement related interference. It shall be brought it out from these paragraphs. Business growth of entities is thwacked or delayed due to liquidity crisis. So reading all these is time taking, but reducing the time and cracking the bit within the given time is the most important thing for us right now. So here bank lending, housing dried up, lenders substantially defaulted, liquidity crisis, we got the point. So I say quick reading analysis is the best method to solve it, right? Right, guys? Let's get to the next one. Liquidity crisis post, however, housing finances liquidity crisis. So I say all 1 and 3 key points. Quick reading analysis help you in this method. Like if you go to the next question, you can have some idea here. So only traditional aid and government finance are not enough for the scale of the developmental change. Traditional aid is often provided, positive sense. So here not enough. Written statements around China and India, so crisis, so not clarity. We don't have any clarity related to this. Next estimated 7 billion corporate social responsibility, substantial sum committed, estimated investment, bridged, sustainable, annually, imperative, debt equity. In this context, one should look at the emerging social impact and social bonds. So however, this developmental changes related thing is clear in the third part only. That's why I go with only 3. Next, let's get to the next question, guys. So here it's about cooperation between the center and the state. Such kind of thing, where do you find? Just have a look carefully. So you don't find in this, I didn't find. Committee constituted model agricultural state governments immensely towards inclusive growth. States central government advises cooperation between. So I go with 2. So because let's see this. 2 combination also exists, but we don't find any in third statement also. I go with only 2. Next question. Blow hard, blow cold pattern. It's an idiomatic expression, sometimes favorable, sometimes unfavorable or not interested towards something is called as blow hard, blow cold pattern marks. So, where do you find this? Okay, so it's about Trump's relations with the countries the US is at odds with. So, trouble is not just brazen disregard international rules. President Trump's first steps on the global stage have sent shivers through the world. Trump's talks with North Korea have bounced in every direction possible and nobody deals it with. So, more number of US slapping tariff billion. So, most things are discussed in 3 compared to the remaining 2. That's why I would like to go with 3. And the last one for the day here is about it's about humans have lost the ability. Yes, automation. Automation means like taking this automated machines instead of human beings. Automated systems are improving. They'll soon be able, we can more. Despite this, we still feel to do in the loop. So here importance of human being is clear. So here we need reliance on. Reliance means depending on automation has led to disaster. So about negative things are discussed in the second one. The pilots, in accordance with standard procedure, switched the flight to autopilot within 4 minutes. Control pilots disengaged. Negative. So these 2 things are discussing the negatives of this automation. So we can go with 2 and 3. So what I suggest to you friends in this particular model is just focus on the key terms, content terms I can say, and see the exact essence what they exhibited in that particular sentence and try to grab the ideas, and finally you will get the answers. So try to keep them keep this PDF right in front of you, try to do on your own. So that's all for the day guys. So I hope you enjoyed the class. So many are yet to come. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Whoever didn't subscribe to our channel, and share with your friends even. And the last but not the least, like.